Get him.
What did he have for supper, Mama?
Some hamburger meat and rice.
All right. Does he like the rice? I mean, he does okay with the texture of it?
He liked it.
Yeah, have that little bit of creamy mushroom in there.
Oh, yeah.
Good stuff.
Keep it a little bit moist.
I like that new surprise look he had.
Oh, yeah. That is so cute.
Get him.
All right. Get him. Get him.
Are you stuck on his foot?
He
Yeah.
get high center there. Uh-oh, here he comes. Robbie's gonna get you. Here he comes.
Come get him. Come get him. Get him.
Tell him, get over here.
Oh, give him sugars. Give him sugars. We're just both gonna roll over. Nose. Nose.
Mm-hmm.
Where's his ears? Where's Robbie's ears? See, why he's a little hard to handle here. Somebody get sleepy.
No, I'm hungry.
I'm both.
I'll be sleepy after I eat.
Papa, you lost your mind.
Long time ago.
Tail. Give his tail.
No, no. No, no.
You think you can get Mama? Go get her. Now stand up. Walk over there.
Come here, Colby.
Go get her.
Come here. Come here. Come here.
Go get her.
Come on. Oh.
I'll fall down.
You can do it. There, he's spring loaded again tonight. Look at that. Stand up. Good boy.
Wow.
Hey.
Whoa.
My goodness, buddy.
Wow, look at him,
So
Mama.
this ain't a
Look at
bad
this.
deal.
Good
Sure is
job.
easier on your knees.
Wow.
Good job, little man.
Give me 5. Hey, give me 5. Good job, buddy.
Woo,
Good job.
woo, woo. Woo, woo. Woo, woo. Woohoo!
You worn out? Just worn out?
Can you stand up? Can you stand up? Huh? Can you stand up?
Get on. Oops.
Mama,